Hey guys, Black Force Riggy here. Today I promised you guys I was going on a dirt track. That's what I'm doing today. So I'm here with Matthew, Zeke and Ben13. If you haven't checked these guys out, watch my second vlog what I've done, what was it? What I uploaded yesterday. But anyway, so here's Matthew, Zeke. That looks nice. No, and here comes Ben13. If you don't recognise him, he was in one of my previous vlogs. But he's got a gigantic piece of wood and string attached to it. So, yeah, do not say how we got this. Because we just found it. Well, these guys just found a technical. Well, I went past it. I didn't bloody realise until the last second. But, so without my hands in the way, as usual, because I need to adjust my phone, use my hand properly. I thought you guys were just going to come from this direction here, actually. I thought you guys were going to come down here. Unlucky. Anyway, so, this is another little section of the dirt track, but ain't really known as a dirt track, this is just a little adventure area. So, this looks big because it is, and I almost got stung by a bee again. Fuck you. So yeah, so I'm here with Matthew, Zeke, and Sam, aka Ben13. So who the fuck knows? Anyway, compared to those guys who we saw today. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the track, what we might be riding on. I might need to borrow Sam's bike because why the fuck not. So that's going to be fun for me because my bike's got muddy seats, my ass is a bit muddy. Shut the fuck up, child. Anyway, so go for it. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you the video in a couple of minutes. But for now, I am going to do first person view of it. So I'll see you in a couple of seconds. Hey guys, I'm back again. So you're going to see Matthew or Zeke coming around the corner quickly. So anyway, so since we're heading that direction, I'm going to start the little journey like I said I was going to do. My first little video was me on foot, but then I fucked it up, so we're going by bike now. I'm too lazy to go into gas. Yeah, sorry about that if you can hear a squeaking sound. Anyway, so, if you've seen, like my videos years back, like a year ago from now, we're on this little dirt track. And what we're doing is going around it. So like so. Oh god, I don't know if I actually want to do this because I'm actually quite scared. Especially going around. There's a hairpin somewhere around on this track and I don't fucking love it, especially when you're going one-handed. And it's more scary when you do it one-handed anyway. Oh god. No. Ah shit. There are so many good jumps and I just ran over a bolt. Ah, you bastard. Nope, 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 Matt. I'm going to take it slow from this part onwards. So I'm not risking falling over. Ha. Ha. Oh fuck, where they? Nope! Sam's bike is a bitch! Huh? Yeah, so that's the lap, over and done with. I'm not riding this bike again because that is a struggle. I thought it would be nice, but it's a bitch to pedal. Where there. Let's stand behind it and hope it flicks us. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, didn't really work out well. Where there. 3, 2, 1. Yep, that was amazing. So here's the side-on view of the blue screen. So we are sad. Fuck it, we are children and we are proud. We are children, sing it loud. Yep, anyway, so I'm gonna do a song relapse of these guys flying it around this dirt track. I'm just gonna be vlogging because I'm too lazy to do anything else. Anyway, speak to you guys in a couple of minutes. Weren't the biggest jump or what? So we're just finished with the dirt track racing. So now we're just about to head up to RFBIS, if that's all right with you guys. So I'll show you the route on the footpath wise. If you guys, yeah. So actually, talking about the showcase, I'll start there in a minute. So how is there top 10 bike compilations if there's 3 of us? Smart ass.
Think about it. Photoshop. What about you Photoshop your parts of the bikes?
I don't know how to use Photoshop. Anyway, so
ask Big Mac, he knows.
shut up. Anyway, so when I'm so after this video, like this mini vid, I'm going to do the mini bike show off the bikes a bit. So yeah, so speak to you guys in a couple of seconds. And we are back. So the bike we're going to start off with first is Mr. Oszczyk. So he's got a you go on?
Lamborghini sponsored.
Look at this. It is sponsored by Lamborghini. Come on, focus, you son of a bitch. Focus. Focus. Oh well, anyway. So it's sponsored by Lamborghini, like you can tell.
Lamborghini here, as well.
And also
Antonelli Motorsports.
Yeah. Also Lamborghini here. So, what's the make of the bike and where did you get it from?
Well, it's whatever that word says. I can't read it because it's...
I didn't know it's American. Anyway,
yeah, it's American.
So it came from America.
It cost me about 1,500 quid. Hydraulic disc brakes, some suspension, some basic mountain bike needs. Jumps if you want.
Yeah. For me, it's this beautiful white. Shut the fuck up, you. Anyway, so I've got this lovely machine. It's well, it ain't really that lovely anymore because this part's broken somehow because it's only stuck, like the gears what it's stuck on is like, so no, it stays on gear 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's how far it normally goes. What goes now, it can't go 1 or 2.
It's on 3, so
yeah.
You're on 3 times 3, you're on 9.
Yeah, I'm on 9th gear anyway. I start for 9th gear on every single journey what I do. So I'm too lazy to go from gear 1 to gear to fuck it, gear to gear. Anyway, so this is a, I'm trying to remember the brand. Apollo Phoenix, I don't know, but it looks lovely and it's nice. Huh? Oh, okay, Paradox. This cost me, when this first came out, this was like brand spanking new at the time.
Shimano.
This, do you want me to tell how much this cost me? This cost me, right, 200 quid. £200.
Yeah, it's quite good.
And I saved up my own money to get this.
It's definitely worth it because you got
Shut
Shimano.
the fuck up.
You got Shimano disc brakes.
Yeah.
With Clark's, which is your name. Not like that.
Don't care, mate. No, 'cause my last name's already on my YouTube name, so why should I care? So, yeah, so
Oh, that's fucking awful.
don't blame me, blame Mud of what we took down because of that prick. Anyway, so Sam's got Matthew's old trials bike here. So you can now say it because Sam doesn't know the actual brand of it properly, but I will hold it up. It's an Apollo, and it looks smixy.
Oh, they're in black and red.
Oh yeah, and you can see it's the Rebel X Fighter symbol. Hell yeah, and it's sponsored like. Hell yeah, and plus, all I'm saying is Rebel X Fighters because hey, look at this, winning. This is made for me. You better turn that shit off. I'm gonna stab you. Anyway, so that's the bike's done. So we might head off in 2 minutes. Yeah, just calm it down a bit. So yeah. So speak to you in 2 minutes time when we're heading out of this little place. I would start the video again when we head off to home base. No, I start off when we're heading up at home base, then we can go round. So then we can have a ride with the, so I can record the video when we're going round to Archvista. See one coming? Yeah, by the big road. Yes. Anyway, so I'll speak to you guys in a couple of minutes when we're by home base, then I would start it then. Speak to you guys. And Willie's for the kids, yes. So I'll speak to you guys in a couple of minutes. Bye. And we are back for the video. I did say 2 minutes, took us 2 minutes to get down. So I'm a bit out, bro. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway. So what we're gonna do now is ride off to Archvista, some with Matthew, Zeke still, and Sam. So let's go. Huh? How did you get that? Yeah. Alright man, I want to record a video still. Jesus Christ. When is there an opening? Now, quickly. Right. Oh. So, we are now on the move. How long did it take us? 15 seconds until like people had to bloody go. Right, so now we are on the footpath to Archvista. So from this journey onwards, I'm going to be quiet so you can just listen to the cars and enjoy the ride. That's what I'm going to say for now. Hope you enjoy the ride. TBR. It looks nice. Oh, yeah, and here's one of the places where the guy in front of me goes to. The Bicester and Banbury College. So here's Bicester and Banbury College. Shout out for these guys, because they would make my dream come true if I could go. That's a nice looking old Ford actually. Oh shit. Anyway, so shout out to oh, Jesus Christ, 2 of them. The limit is 10, what the fuck? So, like I said, I'm going to be quiet on the journey, and hope you guys like the ride. Let's go. Oh, let's go. That ugly mug. So, we're halfway there to the airport already, and hope you guys love the video, because when we're there, I'm going to end it for good. I don't mean like my whole series. No, I'm just going to end this vlog with these guys, with some majestic tunes playing in the background, and a squeaky ass push bike. I bet you hear more of a squeak than the tune from this one. Shut this bike, bastard. Fuck you. Oh shit! There's a bush in the way. Fuck you, you bastard. High five's a lamppost. High five 101. Is he gonna high five anything? High five, I ripped off my arm. Fuck you, Paul. So, I hope you guys like the video for now. It's the longest vlog I've done so far. Yeah, so anyway, why I started YouTube might be a bit late. My inspirations to YouTube is Tom, aka Syndicate. Come on, let's try. Relax. Get out of the way, jump the hut. Close enough. He's still learning, don't forget, guys. I don't blame him, he's just learning how to do it. Don't care. Anyway, so now we are at RAF Bicester. So, hope you like the video. And yeah, we're gonna end it here. So there it is, guys. Matt,
Yeah.
you say bye.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. So, I didn't say how many likes we should get. Can we try and hit? Sorry about this. 10 likes in this video. Tracker, can we please try and hit 10 likes in this video? Because I love it if you guys would. Anyway, yeah. So leave a comment down below if you want us to do a challenge. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give a shit. You guys joining in if you want. I don't care. You're part of the Black Horse Gaming. So, what I do, you guys are joining in. Okay? Anyway, so. Fuck it, it's got Vimto, so I don't really like drinking them. But fuck it. Buggy! Anyway, so if you guys would like us to do a challenge, post a comment down. So, post a comment down below if you want us to do the challenge. And yeah, so that's amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.